To fix a problem when you can't find any games on the Realme Note 60, first let's launch our Google Play Store. And here, just to show you, let's try finding something like a Call of Duty Warzone or just Call of Duty Mobile, but as you can see, the game is not available for the download. And there's other games, but most of the games are gone. Now the quick fix for that is to click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down and select Settings. Now go for the Family, and here Parental Controls. Now you can either disable your parental controls entirely with this switch, or you can go for Apps and Games, type in your PIN code, and increase PG to at least 16 or 18, or you can go for Allow All including Unrated if you want to see all of the games and apps. So now that we saved that, we can go back, go for a search, and look for Call of Duty again. And as you can see, it's right here and we can install it without any issue.